Hey, Tucson weather peeps, how are you doing? Just checking to see if I'm recording actually. Okay, good. We're recording. It's 10:52 in the morning. It's August 23rd, 2018. Monsoon 2018 has returned to us, and she's being very nice to us. Although she got a little violent yesterday down around Ina and Old Father, and along Old Father, some flooding, some swift water rescues, some trees blown down. It was quite a wet microburst. 1 to 3 inches of rain in Marana and parts of Oro Valley. Not all of Marana. Marana's huge, but you get the idea. And we're off to an early start today. I mean, Picture Rocks got us started with some storms, and those just continued to grow. And earlier this morning, I was on my deck here in southern Oro Valley looking north to the Tortolitas with my iPhone 10 and captured this thin little lightning strike. Kind of a cool picture. I'm a little bit proud of it, but I posted it everywhere, so it's getting likes and stuff. So thank you for appreciating my work. All right, here we go with the radar right now. This courtesy of KVOA, Channel 4, News 4 Tucson, and this is the big area of storms that blew up earlier, starting around here in Red Rock, and then just growing to the Tortolitas and now sort of drifting northward. And we're still getting a little bit of, well, it's falling apart. But this is new on the Catalinas, and this is drifting northward for the most part. This is somewhat new west of Saurita, drifting towards the airport if it'll hold together. And this is also somewhat new north of Drexel Heights, west of downtown. And what we may see is this grow into a bigger area. We'll see. But the flash flood watch in effect until 8 o'clock tonight, issued by the National Weather Service. And we've made fun of that because when they issue a flash flood watch, we oftentimes end up with nothing. And we'll see if the jinx is on or not today. I would say with this activity at before 11 this morning, that maybe the jinx is off today. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see how it goes. So what's going on? We have so much moisture in the area. The National Weather Service is saying 90 percentile for this time of year. So very high moisture content in the air. And then we're getting what's called defluence above our heads. And so what is defluence? Well, it means the air is spreading out above our heads. And as that happens, it has to be replaced by air below it. And so you get lift. And what do thunderstorms need to get going? They need moisture and they need lift. And the steering winds are very light. And so storms are going to sit in the same area and dump heavy rainfall because of the moisture content is so high. So that's why confidence is pretty high for some flooding for some of these storms. And it's kind of happening. So I guess that's good. I mean, be careful out there. Enjoy Monsoon 2018 responsibly. But yeah, have fun. Real quick, check of yesterday, 95 for a high, 3 below the average for this time of year, 75 the low, 2 above average for this time of year, so pretty much average when you average out the two. And 9/100ths of an inch at the airport yesterday, 1 to 3 inches, like I said, Marana, parts of Oro Valley. Storm sat over Oro Valley too. I didn't get nearly as much on the southern end of town here in southern Oro Valley, but did okay. In fact, I didn't even open up rain log. Let's do that here in just a second. Let's do it now. I'll just type it in, rainlog.org, and we'll get a look at how this launches. It's going to show us the whole state, and then we'll zoom in. So, yeah, this is from yesterday. Check this out. Here's Oro Valley, 1 to 2 inches, and around Tangerine, almost 2 inches here north of Tangerine. I think that's La Cañada here. And this is Moore Road, so there's almost an inch. So yeah, lots of Oro Valley getting 1 to 2 inches of rain. Here's where I live, right near this 10th. I'm actually right about here between 10th and 0.13. So it's okay. And then you get into Marana, and here's the big amounts, 2 1/4 here. So yeah, a lot of rain. This is Ina. And I believe this is Old Father, so there's that 1.5 inches, and here's where the wet microburst happened. Then you get to other parts of town. Not bad, look at this. I mean, we've got some areas that haven't seen a lot of rain this monsoon, picking up 3/4 of an inch, 2/3 of an inch, 1 inch, 1.5 inches almost. over an inch around here, just east of the U of A. So right around the U of A, anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to over an inch. Very good. North of the airport, here's 2/3 of an inch. You get the idea. And then, but by the time you got to the airport, it was 0.09. All right, now back to TucsonWeather.us and today's forecast, which has changed since I posted this morning. This 30% chance of rain is now a 50% chance of rain. Flash flood watch until 8 o'clock tonight, lowering to a 30% chance of rain tonight. And we're up to a 30% chance of rain now tomorrow and tomorrow night. Probably, I don't know, yeah, 92 and 95. We'll stick with that. It looks like we might start to dry out a little bit next week. That may start this weekend, but we'll still call scattered storms Saturday and Sunday, and then drying out early next week sometimes. But we're less concerned with that. We're more excited about the flash flood watch possibilities. Fantastic. Okay, radio show last day is a week from tomorrow, so I'm trying to do more here, and also hoping that maybe some of you might come on to help support the channel. So if you're on YouTube, go down into the comment selection, or comment too if you like, but go down into the, the description. And I've got links to the Patreon and the PayPal link too if you want to give me a tip, I guess. So that's how we look today. As I can, I'll keep you posted. I'll leave for the station in the early afternoon. But maybe tonight we can talk some more. Certainly by tomorrow. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Enjoy Monsoon 2018 responsibly, and Viva Monsoon 2018.